Hi guys! Ito ang iba't ibang flavor ng Pringles. Ito ay more pop tasty. Sour cream and onion, favorite ng mga kuya. And this one, consomme. Consomme.
Consumption.
Consumption.
Ay,
Pero masarap yan guys, vegetarian. And this one, tangy tomato twist. Basta, ayoko ng lasa niyan guys. And this one, nice din siya. Spicy Texas style barbecue. Yan, hot. And the cheese. Love it. Yan. So, iba-ibang flavor ng Pringles. Snack time!